Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to log into your Facebook account. Whether you're a new user or simply need a refresher, this comprehensive tutorial will help you get started. Before we dive in, make sure you have the official Facebook app installed on your device. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Play Store. Once you're there, type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the app with a distinct white F on a white background. Tap on it and then tap Install. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Now let's proceed with logging into your Facebook account. Follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Locate the login screen within the Facebook app. Step 2. Enter the email address associated with your Facebook account. Step 3. Next, type in your password. Step 4. Tap on the Sign In button to access your account. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your Facebook account and can now enjoy all the features, connect with friends, and share updates. In the event that you forget your password, don't panic. Facebook provides a simple password recovery process. Just tap on the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.